VO3 is mind-blowing, no doubt. But what if I told you there's a free AI video tool from China that's almost as powerful, and barely anyone knows it exists? It's called Qingying, and it transforms plain text or images into jaw-dropping animated videos, complete with motion, expressions, and special effects. No subscriptions, no credit card, just sign up and create. For creators on a budget. And later in this video, I'll show you how to unlock its full power, and a few things you really need to watch out for. Trust me, this tool might just blow your mind. Alright, before we dive into all the features, let's get you inside the platform. First, head to the link I've added in the description. When the site loads, it might be in Chinese, no problem. You are going to see it in the screen where it asks you to translate the page to English. Just look around. Mine is on the top right corner. Click to English. Now here's the catch. Unlike most Western AI tools that use email for sign-up, ChatGLM requires a phone number to register. But don't stress. It supports numbers from almost every country. And if you're cautious about privacy or if it's not available in your country, you can always use a temporary number from any free online SMS service. Just go to Google and type temp number in the search and use one of them. I prefer you use this one. Pick a temporary number from your country, or use a global one. Paste it into the registration field. Remove the country code from the number if needed. Click Get Code to request your verification. Go back to the temp SMS inbox and refresh until the code appears. If the number doesn't work right away, no worries. Just keep trying another number. Funny. It worked for me on the 6th try. Patience is the key. Copy the code. Paste the code into ChatGLM provided field. Once you're in, you're good to go. No credit card, no waiting list, full access, instantly. And if you do not want the stress of watermarks all over the place, you can always upgrade to membership plans, aka VIP. Now is time to explore the features. Get ready. Because ChatGLM is like a Swiss Army knife for AI. Right on the dashboard, you'll see a whole suite of tools waiting for you. ChatGLM, a GPT-style chatbot that works a lot like ChatGPT. An AI search engine with real-time data and sources. An image generator with dozens of styles. A presentation creator for quick PPTs. And the real star of the show, the Qingying AI video generator. Let's walk through some of these features so you can see just how powerful this platform is. ChatGLM chatbot feature. It's very similar to ChatGPT, and you can ask it just about anything. Write blog posts, summarize articles, draft emails, or even generate prompts for other tools on the platform. One of the coolest tricks is using it to help with your creative workflow. For example, you can ask it to write a perfect image prompt and image-to-video prompt, and then feed that into the image generator or image-to-video generator within the platform for stunning results. Next, let's talk about the image generator. This tool is a lot like Google Image FX, Midjourney, Leonardo, or DALL-E. It lets you choose from different art styles, browse images that other users have already created, generate your own images using text prompts. Let's try one live. I'll ask the ChatGLM chatbot to generate a prompt for a warrior that dresses like a warlord. Copy that prompt into the image tool. Choose the style. There are lots to choose from, and it's really interesting. I am just going to use photography. Pick an aspect ratio. For the spell, just pick anyone, hit generate. And here's the result. Pretty impressive for a free tool, right? The only downside? These images come with a watermark. But don't worry, I'll show you a free way to remove that later in the video. Hit on the download button. We are going to use that image later on in the tutorial. Qingying AI video generator, the star of the show. But the real magic happens in video generation. ChatGLM integrates a powerful tool called Qingying AI video generator. And this is where things get seriously exciting. With Qingying, you can create videos directly from text prompts, animate still images into video sequences, add visual effects like transitions or facial movements. Let's dive in and see how it all works. Now let's move on to image to video, which, in my opinion, is where Qingying really shines. Here's how it works. Upload an image you've already generated. For example, upload the image we generated earlier with ChatGLM chatbot. Type a new prompt describing how you want it to move or animate. Hit generate. It will take a few minutes. Now and look at that. The animation is impressively smooth and believable for a free tool. Let's test another one for fun. I'll upload a tiger I already generated. With the image generator, AI drawing, a proud anthropomorphic tiger walking confidently down a Romanesque palace corridor. Hit on the generate, and here's the result. The camera moves, the tiger blinks so well, and it feels like a movie scene. All starting from a still image. Image to video is absolutely Qingying's strongest feature. It's often smoother, more precise, and more detailed than pure text to video. AI effects. For extra fun, want to get even fancier? Check out Qingying's built-in AI effects. You can animate photos with a hug or a kiss, add motion to still portraits, create smile animations, generate memes or stickers from text. For example, you can just generate a photo of two people that are close together, or better still, upload a photo of two friends sitting together. Now choose the hug effect, and Qingying animated a realistic hug. Even subtle facial expressions, like a gentle smile, look surprisingly natural and not robotic or glitchy. It's genuinely impressive how much creative potential is packed into this platform. Now, let's try text to video. Here's how it works. Type your text prompt into the field. Choose your aspect ratio from the basic parameters. For example, 16:9 if you're creating a video for YouTube. Leave the video mode set to faster mode, which is perfectly fine for free users. Keep the frame rate at 30 FPS. That's the default for free accounts. Set your duration, currently capped at 5 seconds if you're on the free plan. Sound effects do exist, but they're not included in the free plan. It'll prompt you to upgrade if you want to add audio. Let's test it out with this prompt. A powerful anthropomorphic bear walking slowly through a majestic Renaissance-style hall, wearing a thick woolen cloak with fur trim and a royal medallion on his chest. Classical columns and oil paintings decorate the palace. Cinematic realism, moody lighting. Hit generate, and in about 3 to 4 minutes, here's the result. For a free tool, that's honestly pretty impressive. Even without sound, getting access to this level of animation for free is amazing. The motion is smooth and the quality looks solid. Sure, it's short, but for unlimited free generations, it's a fantastic option. But what happens if we push it further with more complex ideas? Let's try something like this. A close-up of an elegant anthropomorphic penguin wearing a silk purple scarf under vibrant jazz club neon lights. And here's the result. Subtle facial expressions, beautiful lighting, smooth motion. It's genuinely stunning for a free tool. However, there are limits, especially when you try using real public figures. For instance, check out this wild prompt. Donald Trump and Dana White facing off for a bout fight card next month in the White House. Sadly, no luck. Qingying, like many other AI tools such as Veo 3 or Google Image FX, follows strict policies. They refuse to generate videos featuring real celebrities or public figures. You'll either get a rejection or generic faces instead. But here's a workaround. Download images of the public figures you want, then use the image-to-video feature to animate them. That usually works, as long as you're not explicitly mentioning their names in the animation prompt. So fair warning, no celebrity deepfakes here. And that's just scratching the surface of what ChatGLM and Qingying can do. Today, we mainly focused on the video generator because, let's be honest, that's the showstopper. But even the other tools, like the chatbot, image generator, and effects, make this one of the most versatile free AI platforms I've ever seen. Now, let's talk about the one downside of using ChatGLM and Qingying for free, the watermark. Almost every image or video you generate comes with a watermark stamped in the corner. But here's the good news. It's surprisingly easy to remove for free. You have few simple options. Option 1. Online Watermark Remover. Visit any free online watermark remover. Upload your video or image. Click Remove and let the AI handle it. It takes just a few seconds. And boom, your video or image is clean and ready to use. Option 2. Zoom and crop. Import your video into an editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro. Zoom in slightly or crop the edges until the watermark disappears. This works best if the watermark is near the border and you don't mind losing a bit of the frame. This platform is a total game changer. Drop a comment with the videos you're excited to make. And if this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next AI update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.